wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 224-11106 for Management Class 22B. Here I will explain about financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis is the use of analytical procedure to broadcast the financial health, risk, performance, and future potential of a business or the process of reviewing the financial statement of an organization to gain an understanding of its overall financial situation. Financial analysis is an effort made to determine of the company business, sub-business stability and profitability by using information obtained from financial report in the form of ratios. The result of financial report analysis can be in the form of quantitative or qualitative data. Then, the result of the report analysis will be given to company leaders who will later be used as a basis for decision making. Several benefits of financial report analysis: knowing the company ability to pay off its debts and interest, both short and long term. Knowing the company ability to utilize asset and more profitable direction. Knowing change in financial position in a current period. Projecting business that will occur in the future. Assess business performance in the current year. Compare the value of your own company with competitor. The main purpose of financial report analysis is to serve as a basis for strategic decision making and information on the company business value. But financial statement analysis also has other objectives, namely for screening. Financial report analysis is aimed at reading, understanding, and filtering various business activities that will be carried out in the future. For forecasting, financial statement analysis is aimed at predicting what the company financial condition will be like in the future. Apart from that, this analysis also aims to find out what the company financial condition is currently, whether it is making profit or a loss. For diagnosis, financial report analysis is aimed at saying the possibility of problem occurring within the scope of operation and finance, so that companies or interest parties can create strategies to prevent this problem from occurring. For assessment, evaluation, financial report analysis is aimed at growing and assessing the achievement of management, finance, operation, and other. This assessment is also intended to see employee performance and make improvement to things that are felt to be lacking. Several types of financial report analysis are: 1. Basic financial ratio analysis. Financial ratio are a tool to help business owner and investor analyze and compare the financial relationship between account on a company financial statement. The most useful ratios for basic financial ratio analysis are liquidity ratio, efficiency ratio, solvency ratio, coverage ratio, profitability ratio. Trend analysis. Trend or time series analysis analyzes a company using financial ratios by comparing several time periods of financial information, usually done using the company income statement and balance sheet. Industry analysis. Industry analysis, cross-sectional analysis or benchmarking analysis a company by comparing financial ratios with the overall financial ratios of the industry to see how the company performance compares. Horizontal analysis. Horizontal analysis to analyze company finance by comparing several time periods or financial information. Horizontal analysis can be carried out in their ways other than financial ratio analysis, namely: A. Direct comparison by comparing the income statement and balance sheet line by line. B. Percentage method using two periods of financial data and comparing the varying account. Then divide the first year by the second year and multiply by 100 to see how big the change in the second period in based on a percentage. C. Variance method. The vertical analysis. The most basic vertical analysis relates to a 1 year period of a company balance sheet and income statement. The steps that must be taken in analyzing financial report are as follows. 1. Understand the background of the company financial data, including an understanding of the business sector and accounting policies adopted and implemented by the company. 2. Understand the conditions that influence the company. Information includes trend in the industry in which the company operates, such as change in technology, change in consumer tastes, and change in economic factors such as change in per capita income, interest rate, inflation rates, and taxes. Apart from that, also pay attention to changes that occur within the company itself, such as change in key management position. 3. Study and observe financial report thoroughly. The purpose of this step is to ensure that the financial reports are clear in describing relevant financial data and in accordance with financial accounting standards. 4. Analyze financial report. Use various existing analytical methods and techniques to analyze financial report and interpret the result of the analysis. So, the financial reports that have been prepared are not limited to just monthly or annual obligation. As a result, business leaders can find out about financial problems that might occur in their business and can later easily adopt the best policies or solutions to resolve existing problems. Important point of financial statement analysis. Types of financial report. 1. Balance sheet. A balance sheet is a financial report that describes a company's financial position at a current point in time is the value of the company at a current time. The balance sheet is usually presented at the end of the year, mid-year, or first quarter. The balance sheet of a company is formed from the accounting equation, namely assets, liabilities plus equity. The first part of the balance sheet is the company asset, namely current asset and fixed asset. 2. Profit and loss statement. The income statement or profit and loss statement compares revenues to expenses to determine net profit or loss. This report provides information about the company financial bottom line. During a current period, net income profit is often used as a measure of performance or as basis from other measures such as investment imbalance, return in investment, earning per share. An income statement is a systematic report about the income, costs, losses, or profit obtained by an organization during a current period. 3. Cash flow statement. Cash flow means the inflow and outflow of cash or cash equivalents. The company presents cash flow from operating, investing, and activities. Funding in a way that best suits the company business. The cash flow statement is a financial report displaying cash receipt and cash payment of company during a period of time. Cash flow from company asset is the sum of cash flow to creditor and flow to shareholder. Parties with interest in the financial sector. This financial report is not only important for parties within the company, but also for other parties. Users of financial report include current and potential investor, employees, lenders, supplier, and other business creditor, customer, government, and other institution, and society. A number of users this report use it to meet several different information needs. 1. Investor need information to help determine what to do, buy, hold, or sell the investment. Shareholders are also interested in information that allows them to assess a company's ability to pay dividends. 2. Employees use financial report to assess capabilities companies in providing remuneration, retirement benefit, and employment opportunities. 3. Lenders use financial report to decide whether the principal, loan, and interest can be paid when it falls due. 4. Supplier and other business creditors have an interest in knowing whether the amount owed will be paid when due. 5. Customers have and interest is knowing the survival of the company, especially they are bound by long-term agreements with or depending on the company. 6. The government and various institutions under it have an interest in the allocation of company resources and activities. They also need information to organize activities companies setting like policy and a basis for compiling national income statistics and other statistics. 7. The community is helped by information about the number of people who are employed, protection for domestic investor trend, and recent development in the property of the company and its series of activities. Okay, that's all the explanation for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.